Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that we should listen the lectures of our native speakers and non-native speakers in English language so that we will make our spoken English more beautiful, more better than before. And for that we should watch the videos of English language. We should search videos of our native language speakers and non-native language speakers from social media, and we should listen again and again to those videos so that our vocabulary and our spoken English will be more powerful than before. And sometimes some people share their stories on social media, so we should watch those stories. We should listen to those stories because I'm also watching and listening the stories of people that how they got interested in learning English language and how they will be able to speak fluent language. So I have my own stories, and I will share one of my stories with you. So please stay with me in this video, watch till end so that you will find the lesson from this story, and you will get also the motivation. In previous time I used to write letters to different people, different pen pals and different embassies. Especially I wrote a lot of letters to British Embassy, Islamabad in Pakistan. And once I was interested in working in Pakistan television network, telefilms and dramas, and I was willing to take part in some of plays. So I was making the contacts with some producers in Islamabad. Those are doing the drama production. But they were not giving me the chance, and I was again and again making contact with them. Please give me chance. Then I thought that they are not giving me chance because I was living far away in Azad Kashmir area, and it is very difficult for a person to go there after traveling 5-hour long drive and to take part in some of plays, because they prefer the local artist, those easily accessible to them. So they were not calling to me for some of plays. But I was interested that I will get a chance in some of plays. So then I started writing letters to British High Commission in Islamabad, and I requested them. Whenever I right now think that which kind of mentality at that time I was, why I was writing the letter to British High Commission for petty things. I should write them letters for some big mission, for some big deal. So I was writing letters to British High Commission that please write a recommendation letter to PTV producer and ask him to give me chance in some of plays. They were not giving me the reply, but I was writing with some intervals again and again to them. Finally, one day I got the reply from British High Commission, and their written, I was astonished to read that thing. And whenever right now I read that letter, I feel ashamed that which kind of a request I was making to them at that time. They wrote me that we at the High Commission are puzzled regarding the nature of your request. This sentence is memorized to me because I was again and again reading that letter. That we at the High Commission are puzzled regarding the nature of your request. So they wrote me that you make your contact directly with the producers for some plays and show your expertise to them. Don't ask them. We are not here to request for you to give the chance in dramas. So right now, whenever I read, this letter was 20 years back. Right now, whenever I read that letter, and I feel astonished that which kind of a request I was making to the British High Commission. Instead of making such kind of petty things, I should request them to give me the British visa. And if I wrote them for British visa, perhaps they would give me. but I was writing them to for petty things. So because I was living in the village area and I was not aware of art and culture, and I was thinking that at that time no other media was available and only the Pakistan television network was available, and people love to watch the plays on that, because at that time no private channels were not, and only the monopoly of this channel was, so they were not giving the chances to newcomers, and I often return back from the gate of Pakistan television networks, because they don't let me go inside to meet with some of producers. That was the monopoly of that television at that time, and those people get the chance who are flattering the producers, and the talented pupils were ignored at that time, because talented people don't have any other option to show their talent. Right now the social media has given a big opportunity, especially the YouTube have given the big opportunity to talented people, that they can show their talent to the world. No one can stop them if they have the talent. And if you have the talent of some things, no one can stop you from going ahead. Because I will share some more things with you, that in previous time when social media was not available, there were some journalists. Those were the journalists only because they have the newspaper collection, they have the shop, and they have the agency, they have the ability to purchase the agency. The person who can purchase the agency will be the journalist. In this way the monopoly of journalists was also available. When this social media came, those journalists who are writing the script, they felt difficulty while speaking, because speaking requires some skills. And they right now, when talented pupils are coming into the field of journalism, and some of old journalists or some previous time journalists are becoming I think jealous with talented people. But this media, social media, has given opportunity to everybody. The opportunity is in your hand. If you have the talent, make your video, show your talent and spread it to the world. No one can stop you. If this social media would not come, people would not know that I have broken English, I can speak the broken English. So this social media is showing the talent of the people. Other way, the people were understanding you that this person is working in art and culture, and this person has no talent of other things, and to show my talent, because mostly I was interested in art and culture. I wrote so many stories and also made some stories, but to show my talent in other fields, I also took part in assembly election, and I also doing the work of journalism. And because this is related to art and culture, and because I was already working in art and culture, I was writing the stories. So the YouTube especially and social media have given us opportunity, big opportunity to show our talent to the world. And if you have the talent, you should do hard work to improve your talent. If you want to speak English language, right now you have the opportunity. Lot of stuff is uploaded on social media. You can watch videos of your interest. You can improve yourself by watching English language videos. You can watch the videos of any country which you like. You can watch the video of your native speakers. You can watch the videos of your non-native speakers. In this way, you will make yourself able to speak English in better way. Slowly and gradually, it takes time, but one day you will be able to speak fluent English In previous time I was worried that because whenever I used to watch news on television and they were speaking fluently and very difficult words they were speaking, and I was thinking that it is very difficult to speak the English language. However, I am learning, but it is too much difficult. How could I will be able to memorize such difficult words and their meanings? So not necessary that you memorize the whole dictionary, but commonly use word you should memorize. You should, if cram them. And some spoken dialogues books, you should also read those books. When it comes to speak with some people, it requires some other qualities. You should also read the books of such kind of spoken English in dialogues form. You should also read the subtitles. Sometimes some programs or some movies you will see the subtitles is going on. So listen first of all in your native language, then read the translation and note that translation in your notebook, and read that translation in again and again. I was doing the same in my previous time. Whenever I was used to watch the film, there was a subtitle, and first of all I watched the movie one scene, then I note down the subtitles, and because the movie scene was in my mind, and when I used to memorize the dialogues in English language, it will be easy for me to understand whatever said in that dialogue or in that scene. So in this way I was learning, and I was also reading the books, and right now, because I did not in my previous time has any practical experience of spoken English, so I thought that I am able to speak broken English, but sometimes people say that you can make other people's understand whatever you saying, and only this is the good sign that whatever you are speaking, the others people are understanding that. So I think don't become jealous with others people. If you have the quality, if someone have the talent, help him, support him, promote him, instead of becoming jealous. Here some people, when you have any kind of ability, becomes jealous with you. Instead of becoming jealous, you should do hard work, and you should compete that person in good way, not in jealousy. If you are a good person from your inner side, God will also help you. So I have seen here in my society that whenever some able peoples or some ability, you will show your ability, people would become jealous with you, that why this ability in this person, why this ability not in myself. So if you want to get such kind of ability, you should do the hard work. Without hard work you can do nothing. So do hard work and always support each other and love everybody without discrimination of religion, culture, territory, whether male, female. We all are human beings, and we should spread the message of peace in the world. Allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.